Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If it's the first time of being here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please consider to like this video and comment down below and subscribe to my channel if it's your first time. But to all my returning subscribers, I say God bless you. Thank you for your support.
Yes, so where are my ladies in the house? Where are the ladies? The ladies in the house. Let us come and together and do a challenge. Are you joining me in this challenge? Let us do green smoothie challenge. Green smoothie challenge. I just have mine. Green smoothie, green smoothie. I just going to the shop. I got some cucumbers. I got some kiwi, some lemon. Come on, guys. Let's make some smoothie, green smoothie, and which is the best. Come on, guys. Let's do this together. We should go organic. I am going organic. I'm becoming so big, so fat in my tummy. So what do you guys think? Can we do this? Can we run this green smoothie? Join me in this challenge. Anyone, you are free to join. Everyone, you are free to join. Join. Let us do this. Today is Monday. We are starting up and up till Saturday. Let us do it and see the best smoothie, the best green smoothie for detoxing. Let's detox. Come on, guys, join me in this. I have my cucumber. What do you guys think? What else do you need? What else? I think this is good for detoxing. Cucumber is good. Cucumber is liquid and means it makes you full, makes you not to get hungry always. We have extra virgin oil that revitalize your body and freshens you. We have lemon for vitamin C and kiwi as well. Yes, guys, let us do this. Let's do this. Join me in this challenge. Join me in this challenge. Smoothie in the morning, early morning, before eating. Can you stand that? Can you take smoothie before eating in the morning? If you can stand that, join me. If you can stand that, join me in the morning. One in the morning and one in the noon. If you can stand taking smoothie as meal, join me in this challenge. Becoming so big. Yeah, don't forget we'll be eat your meal. Normally I eat once in a day, so let us do this, guys. Join. Let us run this race of challenging smoothie challenge, green smoothie challenge with cucumber, with mint, with ginger and lemon. The lemon, I think you can even take lemon away and just do kiwi and cucumber together with mint. Yeah, and then that jar there is my water. Don't forget, drink a lot of water. You can choose to add olive oil, extra virgin olive oil if you want to. Otherwise, you can skip it. Yeah, but we drink a lot of water throughout the day throughout your smoothie time. Yeah. Yes. Let us see who wins this challenge. Let us see who wins this challenge. Yeah, we do it, and then you can post your videos. Yeah, you can post your video. I also have some carrots. Yeah, if you want to snack, maybe instead of snacking fatty food, you snack with your vegetable as well. That's why I have that carrot there. I snack with carrots, with celery stalk, and with cucumber. I snack with those ones as well. So let us do that. Let us do it, guys. Let's do it. Green smoothie, green smoothie, green smoothie. Get your cucumbers ready, get your kiwis ready. I repeat, if you want to add a little olive oil, you can add it. Otherwise you can skip it. Get your mint and get your water, lots of water. Drink lots of water. So guys, let's get it ready, and then let's do this for this week. Yeah, it's Monday today. Let's do it through to
everyone to join in this challenge.
Saturday. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Leave your comments down below. God bless you, and bye for now. Yes.